Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Sign in to Naan Mudhalvan and open the correct assignment or submission page. Once there, make sure your GitHub repo is public or has a shareable link. This avoids permissions problems. Copy the exact repository URL and double-check the branch, typically main, or a pinned commit if required, because the platform will fetch that path. Start the upload process now by selecting the repository URL field on the submission form. You paste the GitHub URL into the submission field. Include the full https:// address so Naan Mudhalvan can reach it. Then, fill any adjacent fields, brief description of the repo, specify branch or commit hash if asked, and attach notes about build commands or dependencies. Once done, use the platform's Validate or Preview button to let it fetch the repository contents. This step confirms files are visible and flags missing README or build instructions before finalizing the upload. You finalize by clicking Submit or Save and then wait for the confirmation message. Record the submission ID or screenshot for your records. If the platform reports an error, make sure the repository is public or that you granted access. Verify branch names and file paths match what the assignment expects. If access is restricted, add a read-only deploy key or make the repo public temporarily. If problems persist, retry validation after adjusting permissions, and then resubmit to complete the upload.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.